More mulberry harvest. Ay, not harvest. Picking lang. Wala naman talagang ha-harvestin masyado. This one?
Yeah.
Okay, baby. You're welcome. You're welcome. Magluluto na ako, guys. Bukas ulit tayo magta-try nito. For the kittens! Oh, they would love that. Ay! Aakit si Ben. Ayun ang kukunin natin. Watch out, there's a lot of branches. Can you reach it?
I got it.
Oh, that's a big one, Ben. Oh, okay. Wow! It's a big one.
It's my turn to eat.
Yeah, let's see.
Mm.
Sweet. Really sweet. Okay guys, so itanim na natin ang ating ito ko, bahang-baha. Bahang-baha pero maganda yan. Ay! Maganda sa garden. Ayun, ako grabe ang ampalaya. Ayan, oh, ang laki na agad. Okay din naman na nagkakaganyan, umuulan ng marami. Kaya lang sobrang araw-araw. Araw-araw naman. Ito mga ano to, lahat to is naging strawberry beds na to guys. Okay, teka lang. Saan kaya maitanim tong ating pakuan? Puno na to, ito ay cantaloupe, yung melon at saka kalabasa. So, hindi ko na alam kung saan ko pa ba ito pwedeng itanim. Okay. Tapos meron din akong, ayan, humapay na lalo ito. Dito ko na lang, ano kaya, itatanim. Kaya lang ano, meron pa akong cilantro. Kailangan ko ng mga seeds ng cilantro. Kaya lang napakarami naman. Dito na lang kasi cilantro lang naman ang nakatanim dito. Okay. So, dito ko na lang siya itatanim. Ihahapay ko na lang ganyan. Ayan. Hindi ko siya binubunot kasi pag binunot din na yung seeds, kailangan ko ng seeds ng cilantro. Paborito kasi namin ang ano to? Ay, cilantro. So, ngayon, diyan ko na lang siya itutusok, guys. So, itong bilog. Okay. Magkano tong seeds na to? $246. So, parang, kano yan? $130. Pesos pala. Kaya, ganun lang pala eh. So, siguro, isa dito. Ay, noko. Ikaganyan lang natin. Tamang umulan. Okay. Tapos, isa dito. Wala na pala. Nasaan na yun? Bakit hindi ko nakita? Hala. Saan napunta yun? Parang may natapon dito. Di bali, andito na. Hindi ko na makita yung dito. Hindi ko nakita. Parang wala namang bumuhos. Dito. Ano ba to? Okay, yun na yun. Dito ko muna ilalagay. Okay, and then meron din tayo nito. Ano kaya to lalagay? Dito na lang kaya. Dito sa magubat na to. No? Pwede na dito. Punutin ko yung dahon next time. Dito ko na ilagay itong isa na to. Uy, ang dami. Dito siya. Dito. 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 Ay, mayroon pa pala doon. Okay, naitanim na natin. So yan guys, nagtanim na tayo ng pakuan. So, tingnan natin. Talagang umulan, no? Nabubuhay ang garden. Ayan, maganda. Okay. Bubuhay ang garden. Tapos, ito naman, tinatanggalan ko to ng tubig masyado. Ito pala guys, tumubo yung ating oregano. Ang tagal ko nang gustong magpatubo tayo ng oregano. So, meron tayong oregano dyan. Okay. Okay. Uy. Ba't may tumutubo ito? Ano to? Poison ivy to. Dapat to hindi hinahawakan. Pero kung hindi ako allergic sa poison ivy, kaya napubunot ko siya. Pero yung asawa ko parang may allergies siya sa ano. Ako hindi. Wala akong ano. Hindi ako nangangate. Kaya binubunot ko lang siya diretso. Ayan. Ito bagong ano to. Blackberry bush. Ang daming damo. Ay, ay, ay. Ito yung mga corn ko. Ayan, sumibol na. Inano ko lang. Hindi na ako nagpatubo sa loob ng bahay. Grabe, last year. Patubo ako. Nako. Ay, ay, ay. Tapos, ay, wala masyadong. Kahapon, dami naming na-harvest ni Ben eh. May kaunti. Save ko na sa mga bata pag di na maulan. So, ayan. So, puntahan naman natin ang mga kutings. Naku, ang malunggay. Ito yung malunggay natin, oh. Naku, gusto ko tanggalin yung mga damo. Mga damo. Mga damo ito. Uy, may peppers din ditong tumutubo. So, yan guys. Ito yung
Then we're
bagong...
playing with it earlier.
Really? With that? With this?
Yep.
Ito guys, yung kanilang bagong bahay. Ito collaboration. Ayan, oh, ang cute. Ang
Kitten,
cute. Kitten house.
kitten, and Sassy.
Kittens
Gassy,
and
Sassy
gases.
was playing
Really?
earlier.
So nice. Ayan, oh, para hindi na sila sa
Huckleberry
kahon.
climbed up to here.
Ah, really? She's a climber. Tapos meron din ito.
Wait.
You know what? This is perfect for Calipatch. Hoy, this is perfect for Calipatch. Yeah, Callie loves
I think it's
this.
99.
The kittens love it.
Mama, show. It's a cat scratcher.
It's a cat scratcher. From collaboration din niya. Kinontak ni Daddy. Para nga sa mga kittens. Ah, it's a cat scratcher. How about this? This is a cat scratcher too.
This is a cat scratcher.
And a house too.
Cats.
Hey! Naku, bagay na bagay!
Oh my bagay.
Bagay na bagay.
It's a cat
Hey.
scratcher.
Yeah, I love that. It's cute.
Oh my.
Hey, ay!
So cute.
Wala po sana sila, hindi nakuting. Wow! Wow!
Not a pusa anymore.
It's not a kuting anymore. It's a pusa now.
Oh.
Where's the other one?
They're
That's
not
okay.
even
That's okay. She might scratch you.
pusa. They're still kuting.
They're still kuting. Yeah, but they're so big. It looks like they're pusa.
But not as big as
It's not. It's not the
Yeah.
good thing anymore. It's a pusa.
That's the.
This is
that's
the pusa. A big adult cat pusa.
with num nums.
Look.
Wow!
Last time, they
Mama.
sharpened the teeth on cardboard.
Yeah, cardboard, wires. That's what they like. Slippers, shoes. Oh no! Put it up on the chair.
Last time, Jackie was chewing on Daddy's shoes.
I know. That's why you don't leave your
Oh
shoes.
my. He's so cute.
There are cats, baby cats. This one is the mama cat. Wala, gustong tumalon. Whoa! Another one. Oh. Whoa! Pushing the mom.
He wants
Hey!
that thing.
Hey,
He wants to get that thing.
May bagong bahay na ang mga kuting. Whoa! Op! Wow!
This is he.
This is a he?
Yeah.
Mm,
Fluffy.
pretty! Fluffy.
Looks like a girl.
Hey, Fluffy. Hey.
It's a man.
It's a man. It's a boy.
It's a boy.
Put
Chewing on the mushroom.
this one too. Ben, put this one too.
Chewing on
Ben, put our little cheesecake over there.
Cheers. This is tickle.
Oh, you're too
not
close.
cheesecake. Tickle. And the mama.
How about Huckleberry? Where's Huckleberry and Jackie? Put Jackie in here. Way. Wow. Where's Huckle?
I believe that he could jump from there.
Where the whole family? Oh, the other one. Is.
Up on top. The whole kitten family.
The whole
Chicken.
Huckleberry. Huckleberry could jump from there to there.
I don't know what happened with this one. Who is this one? Huckleberry? It's like he doesn't know what to do. He doesn't know what to do. They're so cute.
Look at that. Oh, cute. Oh, cute. Oh, my. Cute. Oh, cute. Please don't fall. Don't fall. Kitten. The tail.